Hello my friends, this is WakeAngel 2001 coming at you with a review of some little plastic collectibles. These are the Sonic the Hedgehog Figural Bag Clips, Series 2. I was a little sad that we didn't get Series 1 in any of the stores that I frequent, because I saw them online, and aside from having some really cool figures I like Rouge the Bat, it appeared to be the only way to get something resembling a Sage figure. And a Coco too. Now, there are other ways to get Coco, like I saw a buildable Sonic statue for Frontiers that had a Coco or two with it. And I know there's a Sage plush, but like the closest thing to an actual Sage figure would have been in this series. So Series 2 seems to have Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, Metal Sonic, Shadow, Silver, Blaze, Cream, and Infinite, with a couple of chase figures, which appear to be Supersonic and Big the Cat. I purchased two of them at random from a local GameStop, and this one seems to be significantly bigger and heavier than any of the others that I saw there. So this might be the Big the Cat. So nothing for it but to open them. So let's get the scissors of opening and see what's inside these things. We'll start with this one. Let's see who we got. It is Shadow! Ooh, look at that. Yeah. Yeah, you got his the soles of his shoes don't really have anything, but the toe does. You got one hand that appears to be clenched in his rage hand mode, and you do have the impression of his middle spine there, even if it doesn't come out too far. So yeah, it basically just looks like somebody took a flat drawing of him and then gave it relief. But all things considered, it's all there. He has the stripes on his arms and legs. His little chest floof is in the right spot, and it's the right shape too. Yeah, nothing wrong with this. This is a very, very good-looking little shadow dangler thing. Yeah, put it on your backpack, hang it from your doorknob, do whatever. It's a very cute thing. Sure, I have no opposition to this. Alright, now this one, let's see. Was I correct in assuming that this is the coveted chase figure of Big the Cat? Or is it just another character that has something big on him? Oh, would you look at that? I was correct. It is Big the Cat. Oh wow, like, you can barely even tell that it's a figure in this style. Like, it just straight up looks like a figure of Big. Like, his feet are they're big and flat, and he can actually stand on them. Look at that. He's standing on his own. Yeah, like, he's mostly three-dimensional. I mean, he's not quite as round as he is, but yeah, like, this thing barely looks stylized. This just straight up looks like a Big the Cat statue. In fact, I gotta test something. Alright, I just had to bring this in. Yeah, I mean, he's a little bit shorter, but this kind of fits within the fudge factor. So yeah, like, this thing could practically be a stand-in for Big the Cat in the Jakks Pacific 2.5-inch line. Like, they never did make a Big in this scale, so I say go ahead. If you desperately need a Big for this particular scale, it would be the easiest one to get, because all you gotta do is look for the blind bag that's like the fattest, and you'll know that it's Big. It's a very easy chase figure to get, apparently. I don't know, I probably would have liked to get that little Cream, maybe Blaze, or even Metal Sonic looks kind of cool from this set, but you know, I don't think you can go wrong with any of them. This aesthetic is very cute, and the figures are all great. So, yeah, like, I have a Big that's 3-inch scaled now. I find that so amusing. And man, like, look at his details. He has all the holes in his belt, like the ones that are on his body and the ones that go past the buckle. The buckles on his sandals are there. They got the right number of stripes on his arms and his tail. Like, yeah, the only weird thing is that his whiskers, like, they're kind of so huge it looks like Dr. Eggman's mustache. But that aside, it's all pretty darn well made. Yeah, pretty fantastic. Nothing, I don't really object to anything about that. That's just a really well-made Blaze keychain thing. And like the fact that the big figure in particular is capable of standing on his own, which you would never get out of the Shadow figure because of the way its feet are made. That's just the sugar on the cream. Alright, so thanks for watching this video. This is Wake Angel 2001 signing off.